Hello everyone, today I will introduce you how to add products. You can add your products or service to our platform with 4 simple steps. First, log into Kaojao and then choose Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Select the page that you would like to add the product and then click Manage. Second, in the Items menu, click on Plus New Item. Third, fill in the item name and order information along with the required pictures. In this process, I will add the picture first. And I will name it as Baby Blue Hearts Bedsheet. The website page, you can copy the URL or the online store link and paste it here. The price, the description. In the description box, you can add the product details such as our bed sheet, are made from 100% cotton, like this. And you can add the size, color option here. For the color, I will baby blue, and the size, it should be 6 inch, 5 inch, and 3.5 inch. And then you click Save. To add other products, you can repeat the previous step by Add New Item. Select the picture. Enter the item name. I will name it as Bright Yellow Tulips Bedsheet. And again, the URL, price, and description. Our bed sheets are made from 100% cotton. And color, exactly it should be yellow. The size, 6 inch, 5 inch, and 3.5 inch. And then I will click Save. That's it for adding products.